2 o'clock in the morning, my phone you're calling. When things get boring, it's back on all you want.
Em edição aqui, nós añadir aspecto sumamente especial com um artista internacional, artista sumamente reconhecido. Mical, thank you for joining us. Thank you for choosing Aruba. You have a lot of fans here in Aruba, and we are looking forward for your performance tonight. I just spoke with Mical. He told me he's full of energy for tonight. So we are in the expectations of a great performance tonight. Caribbean it's quite unique and quite special for our people. So we are glad and we're very grateful that you joined us to celebrate this Caribbean festival.
It's an honor to me as well to be here and to celebrate with you guys. I mean, ever since coming to Aruba a couple of years ago, I see how hard you all party, and I also see how much pride you all have for celebrating Aruba. Because I recently did a show out in Rotterdam, and it was big. It was a lot of people from Aruba, and they really came together, and just seeing that love and that energy and the way you all celebrate. I'm honored to be here to be a part of this.
Matabay itong edisyong Pulawaro celebrar din nos proprio Carnival Village, mais de 35 vendors, microempresário ng lokal, lo recibem oportunidade para capitalizar arriba momento aqui e para nós sumamente contento de poder organizar essa que enviamos para a comunidade de Aruba e com invitação especial para a comunidade de Aruba sali respaldar a nosso próprio festival de Caribbean em Carnival Village, nos carga aqui sobre essa celebração de nossa autenticidade, nossa cultura, nossa diversidade e é um momento único para os visitantes, os guests, os turistas também, para vir experienciar algo que tipicamente é autêntico e nós sabemos celebrar o espírito de nossa comunidade em edição de Caribbean aqui.
To everybody out there who coming out tonight, if you're wondering what to expect, listen, expect high energy, expect good vibes, and of course we're celebrating in a very positive way. So can't wait to see you all come out tonight that we have a good time. All right.
She begging me to stay.